Hello, did you know that earpods can be a problem and a health hazard? I'm Dr. Sanjay Sachdeva. I'm a principal director in ENT and head and neck surgery department of Max Healthcare, New Delhi. So earpods, when you're using earpods, which the new generation, we call it Gen Z, is quite used to using and they cannot possibly do without them. We know there's a medical fact that if your sound level that you're receiving is more than 85 decibel for more than a certain number of hours, then you're more likely to damage your ears. And if you're going to use it more, if your profession requires, then you have to have adequate rest in between so that the damage is little less. But over a period of time, there will be some hearing impairment coming over years of use of earphones. The second problem these earphones have or the headphones have is that, especially the earphones, that if you're using them continuously in the ears, they will build up humidity in the ears. This humidity will produce more wax, and there are chances that you will get repeated ear infections of the outer ear canal, which is a source of nuisance. The third important point for somebody who's elder or has, let us say, a pacemaker or some other electromagnetic device, these are emitting, especially the Bluetooth technology is emitting radio waves. They can interfere with your other radio waves around your system, especially the pacemakers. So if they are interfering, then there is no way you can use the earphones. So earphones now have a technology called noise cancellation technology, which should be used. So you must buy earphones with noise cancellation. This will go a long way in protecting your ears from noise-induced trauma, which is mostly permanent. But if you use it sensibly, keeping your phones on about 50 decibel, and nowadays the technology is also available that you can see how much decibels you're hearing on your mobile phone so that you can be sure that you're using it to that level, not extra level, and a limited number of time, that is 1 hour maximum per day.